What's going on, everybody? Today I've got an interesting video, and the question is, can two foreigners make paella in Spain, potentially better than Spanish people? Let's see. And the first thing we need to do is we need to get the ingredients. Okay, so starting in the vegetable section, we need garlic, onion, tomato, red pepper, green pepper, peas, parsley, lemon, and saffron. That'll work for the green and red. So I'm not allowed to film in the supermarket, but I'll do a little covert filming and I'll show you everything that I get at the end at least. Engage covert filming. Here's a little update on what we have so far. It makes it easy because with the stock, it just says paella. This is like the seafood stock, and then this is the specific rice that you need to cook with paella. Got the key ingredients now. Seafood. Just had to get a quick shot. So we got all the ingredients. Let's get home, check it out, see what it looks like, and see if I got everything to make a paella. And am I still pronouncing it wrong?
Paella. Paella?
How do you pronounce paella?
Sure. It's pronounced kind of like paella.
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 You got it. That sounds just right. Nice and natural. So now you're all set to say it on camera and impress everyone.
All right. You hear that? I can impress you now. Paella. Today we are making paella. How do you say it again?
Paella.
Hang on a second.
Absolutely. One more time. It's pronounced like paella.
We got the paella broth. Red, yellow, green, peppers, onion, a bit of lemon, parsley, tomatoes, good tomatoes, garlic, saffron, the special rice, peas, prawns, woo, calamari, a bit of fish, and some mussels. Mussels. So here we go. This is the paella ingredient. Ta-da. So get ready because now we're gonna begin the cooking. Welcome to the paella cook-off. Pretty decent sized paella pans. Well, we're cooking for like 4 or 5 people. I think this one should be okay, but there's one. That's a big boy. All right, so it's 5:30 at night and I'm gonna cook some paella and I have no idea how to do this, so this is complicated. Can you bring the seafood out? Can you come help? Well, you're supposed to be on this. The first step is to pour the fish stock and a pinch of saffron into the pan, and then on a low heat.
That one there looks like.
Yeah, it says heat stock in the pan, first step. Can we just like buy paella and just pretend we made this? A little bit of music for motivation will help. I really want to get you guys in on the action, so I'm gonna try and do this. Is it filming? This bench is a bit high, but anyway. Body. As always, everybody, if you're still watching the video now and you like the video, give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment, whether it's positive or negative. I will reply, and I will appreciate it. A little bit of drink. Nice. It says add 2 grated tomatoes. Well, like
I'll just chop it.
with a grater.
Yeah, I just would chop it fine.
Can I chop this on your head? Huh?
I look terrible with this on my head.
Look at our seafood. Oof, 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 oof. It's nice. 4 teaspoons. I'm just gonna do this. A bit of oil. Nice. Then the finely chopped onions. If you haven't realized by now, I'm not a chef. I don't cook much at all. It's time to add in some garlic. I feel like I got a bit of garlic here. So, the broth has been heated up inside it on another pan. I'm sauteing some onions, some garlic, some grated / diced tomatoes for 6 to 7 minutes until it's dark. And this is my foundation. Take your time here. Get in there. Get in there. Okay, so, the paprika. Don't forget that. 1 tablespoon. It's definitely more than a tablespoon. I feel like with cooking, it's more like how you feel. Like, you feel the quantity. It's not an exact measurement. It's more like I feel this is enough paprika, so I'm gonna go off that. Oof, look at that color. Oof, oof, oof. It's starting to get a little bit darker. Next is the rice, and it just goes in. And we coat it supposedly on this. So the idea is to make sure this vegetable mix coats all of the rice. Let me see. Oof, look at that. Look at that. Okay, so now we're up to the next step, which is to pour in the stock and then let it simmer. It says gently pour it in. Next step was to add in the seafood. I'll spread it around. So we've got the mussels, that's good. And then the prawns. Oh, this is how they make it look pretty, right? Because you kind of just leave them in this position. And then the fish. And then the calamari. Okay, so that's everything in. It looks nice. Now it's time to let it simmer for 17, 18 minutes. Thought I'd get dressed up for the grand finale. So we're coming to the end and now supposedly I've left it to simmer. Now we need to turn the heat up and get a bit of a crisp on the bottom. Oh, it's looking good. And then the final step is to cover it with aluminium foil. It's an interesting dish. I mean, what I was told in the comments on one of my last videos was that there's thousands of variations of paella. So I guess there's some like really ancient techniques for the way that people do this. Okay, so I'm gonna do the grand reveal with the family watching and let's see their reaction. Hopefully it's good. Let us see. Wow. Grand reveal. That looks okay. But the key is, what is it gonna taste like? We're gonna have to try it and see if it tastes good. That's a mussel.
You took out the head.
Caspian, the question's going to be, can Mitch cook paella better than the Spanish?
Yes. Dad, can you say if I like it or not?
Yeah, we're going to serve it up and then we're going to see what everyone thinks. This is my first time cooking paella, everybody. First time cooking paella. Can't pronounce this. Oh my God. Oh. It's my first try. I'm going to try the rice, at least see the flavor.
Do I have to take out this?
It's good. It's not bad. Put calamari in here. Let me see. Nice.
Mama, I need to get that.
Is it good, Beans?
Yeah.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, I like everything.
Well, I think it was a mission successful. I made paella for my first time in Spain and it looks like the kids and everyone's enjoying it. So, don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. Like, share, comment. And I'm happy to be roasted in the comments if you think I did something wrong. Please let me know. I think now I'm going to enjoy the paella for the next video. I think it's time to go to a new destination. But see you later. And don't forget...
Don't move to Spain. Live it.